Bob, welcome to the Law Show. I've got you on the line with John Catoni, an enrolled agent with the Internal Revenue Service. I understand, Bob, you have some questions about a new employee.
Yes, I started with a company, and it was agreed upon to be an employee. And during the initial discussions, he wanted me to be a 1099, but I said I wanted to be an employee, and that was agreed upon.
Okay.
In this past week, I was told at my review that I was going to be converted to a 1099 without my authorization agreement.
You know what? Actually, that's not up to either one of you, the employer or the employee. The IRS has strict regulations and guidelines on this, and there's a test. You know, it's on the IRS website, whether you're a subcontractor or not. You know, one of the main tests is whether or not the employer has control over your everyday activities. And if he does,
yes,
then you're an employee, basically. And the employer actually has taken a great risk of misclassifying you. But, I mean, I'd be willing to bet, if you want to get a hold of me so we can talk about it further, but I'd be willing to bet you're an employee.
Hey, John Catoni, what are the penalties that the employer faces for doing such a wrong move with somebody who's clearly an employee by sending him a 1099?
Well, basically, it's non-payment of payroll taxes, and they get the non-deposit of taxes. They pay at least 10-15% on the amounts that they didn't withhold in penalties, and that accumulates every year. You know,
so just
over the course of 3-4 years, it could be double what they would have had to pay initially.
Yeah, just to follow up, so Bob has a little bit more information. What do you charge for the initial consultation, John?
I don't charge anything. I'll sit down and talk to you and set you on the right track. I mean, this is a major issue that a lot of companies make mistakes on.
Hey, listen, Bob, I want to tell you, if you want to get a hold of John Catoni, what you can do is you can just go to LawShow.com and follow the links.
Is he at your office?
Pardon?
Is he at your office?
He sees clients in my office, yes, but he sees clients in his other office as well. But you can access him through my website, thelawshow.com. If you go there right now, you will see his picture up there as we broadcast with him. And you can also call him during regular business hours and leave a message for him at 866-66-LAWYER. Does that answer your messages? Does that answer your questions, Bob?
Yes, it does. Thank you very much. You guys have the best show in town.
Thank you very much. I hope you tell everybody you know about it.